Introducing the next generation of machines from Onefinity CNC. You're already familiar with the Elite series, which has been our most popular line of machines. Well, this is the Gen 2. It got some serious upgrades. The first of which, and probably the most glaringly obvious, is the addition of ball screw covers. If you've ever had to replace a ball nut, you understand just how important this is for any ball screw driven machine. These covers shield the ball screws from dust and debris, preventing it from settling on the ball screw and jamming up the ball nut. Now, what does that mean for you? Simply put, it significantly minimizes maintenance over the life of your machine. What else has changed? Glad you asked. Rails, for starters. All models in the Gen 2 Elite platform get 50mm Y rails, and the X rails are now 60mm. That's right, the rails got even bigger, giving the machine more rigidity to cut more aggressively with the bigger, stronger motors. The Elite got a motor upgrade too. First generation Elite machines came standard with 1.2 Nm closed loop motors. Gen 2 machines are equipped with 2 Nm motors. That's almost twice the newtons! Another upgrade is the Z20 heavy duty Z slider. You'll notice it looks a little different than the first gen. First obvious one is the much thicker 80mm spindle mount. More meat here means more rigidity for more precise carves. Last, the Z slider got slimmer. Red Bull gives you wings, right? But our Gen 2 slider lost them. Why? By removing the wings, we're able to give you one of the most requested features by the community on our 4x4 machine. More cutting area. That's right, the Gen 2 machine now has a cutting area of 49 inches on X and 49 3/8 on Y. That allows for cutting a true sheet of plywood with large diameter bit and still have enough room for hold downs. Another great feature we added to the Gen 2 Elite series is the easy oil system with the magnetic bearing caps. What are those for? Well, you pull them off and you'll see that it exposes the holes in the bearing shield. Those holes are there to make it easier to put oil on the bearings, which everyone should be doing anyway, to keep their machines running smoothly. This just makes it way more convenient. And of course, the controller. All Gen 2 Elite machines run on a Redline CNC controller, the unbelievably powerful controller they released earlier this year. This thing has all the bells and whistles. Closed loop motor technology, super precise infrared homing sensors, 3D rendered job simulations, helpful setup animations, power recovery, jump to line, I could go on and on. And up until now, the Redline controller was only available in this touchscreen unit. Now you'll have the option to order a Gen 2 Elite machine with just the motion controller and use your laptop to run the machine, using the same software and interface as in the all-in-one unit. That option keeps the cost